Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to eject a game or a DVD or Blu-ray if the physical button on your Xbox One simply is not working. So if we're on the home screen right here, we want to find the disc player icon. So we want to go over it, and I can see it right here in the bottom right. And simply, all you have to do is press X to eject. Otherwise, you can press the button with the 3 lines on it. It will give you more settings, and then you can go to eject right here. So we can completely bypass the physical button. Now this is going to eject from the front of my Xbox One. It just popped out, and here is the Blu-ray DVD or whatever. But this is very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.